Dear students, greetings to all. In this module, we'll be discussing about mutation, chapter 5, principles of inheritance and variation. Firstly, we'll try to understand what are actually mutations. Mutations are new, sudden, inheritable, discontinuous variations which appear in the organisms due to permanent change in their genotypes. The term mutation was coined by Hugo G. Rice. Hugo G. Rice worked on Oenothera lamarckiana or evening primrose. Mutations result from errors during DNA replication or other types of damage to the DNA. Now, the agents which cause mutations are referred to as mutagens. Mutagens could be the environmental factors or agents like tobacco, ultraviolet light, chemicals, acridine dyes, alkylating agents. These agents can cause the DNA to break down. Now let us talk about the types of mutation. Mutation is basically divided into two. That is chromosomal mutation and gene mutation. Gene mutation is further subdivided as point and frame shift mutation. The chromosomal mutation includes deletion, duplication, inversion, and translocation. Now, let us talk about the chromosomal mutation first. Chromosomal mutations can be in several ways because of deletion of a strand, because of duplication, inversion, or translocation of the nitrogenous bases. Deletion, it occurs when the nucleotides they are left out of the gene. As can be seen over here, in this chromosome, there is basically a gene which is denoted by yellow coloration, whereas in the new strand, the gene is missing. They also usually cause a shift in the reading frame that will ultimately truncate the protein. Deletions, they are caused because of the errors in chromosomal crossing over during the process of meiosis. In this pictorial representation is depicted the deletion mutation, where we can see that there is a codon that is CAT. So there are the series of codon that is CAT encoding the amino acid histidine. But over here we can see that there is elimination or deletion of A, which causes a shift in the framework, leading to the formation of leucine and isoleucine instead of histidine. Thus, there is production of incorrect amino acid sequence, which produces a malfunctioned protein. Next is duplication, where there is addition of extra genetic material. Now, duplication could be because of unequal crossing over during the meiosis. As can be seen over here, in the first pictorial representation, we see the normal chromosome. In the second, we see that the sequence DE is getting repeated once. And in the next, we see that there are 3 repeats of DE which are produced, which will lead to production of a faulty protein. Inversion is a kind of chromosomal mutation in which a portion of the chromosome breaks off it turns upside down or it gets reattached. Like for example can be seen in the slide that GHI has got inverted as IHG. And because of this inversion, there will be production of a default or faulty protein. Translocation is a type of chromosomal mutation caused by rearrangement of parts between non-homologous chromosome. As can be seen that the part of chromosome number 4. So the part of chromosome number 4 is getting added up. So we see that the part of chromosome number 4, on it there is the addition of the derivative of chromosome number 20. And it can be seen over here that there is a derivative of the non-homologous chromosome which has got added up, resulting in the formation of faulty protein. Now let us move on to the gene mutations. Talking about the gene mutations, they are classified into 3 different types, including the point mutation, the silent mutation, the nonsense and the missense mutations. We'll carry out the comparison with the DNA strand where there is no mutation which is observed. So it will be acting as a standard, and we'll carry out the observation like what are the changes observed when there is a silent, nonsense or a missense mutation which is produced. In silent mutation, though there is a change or alteration in the sequence, as can be seen over here, that instead of C, we are having the nitrogen base, that is T, but the protein which is produced, the amino acid which is encoded, that is lysine itself. In nonsense mutation, because of the addition of the faulty nitrogenous base, there is production of the nonsense or the stop codons, that is UAG, UGA and UAA. So there will be no formation of the protein. In missense mutation, we see that because of the addition of a faulty nitrogenous base, there is production of altogether defective or altered amino acid. Instead of lysine, as can be seen in the slide presentation, there is production of arginine and threonine. Moving on to the point mutation, it is a type of gene mutation that causes a single nucleotide substitution either by deletion, insertion of the genetic material, that could be the base sequence ATGC in case of a DNA and AUGC in case of an RNA. As discussed, the functional categorization could include the nonsense mutation, which involves the production of a nonsense protein, missense mutation, which involves the production of a faulty amino acid, and silent mutation, which involves the production of the same amino acid. Though there is no effect on the functioning of the protein, but then the new codon or an altered codon has been added up. Moving on to the next type of gene mutation, that is frame shift mutation. As can be seen in the slide presentation, that instead of C, which is being depicted in red over here, the C is getting deleted and thus altering the reading frame from CAG to AGA, which leads to the production of altered amino acid, that is arginine. And thus the frame or the reading frame gets totally shifted or altered, resulting in the production of altogether different protein chain. Talking about the deletion mutation, which is again a type of gene mutation where it is caused by the errors in chromosomal crossing over, which could also lead to production of diseases like Williams syndrome, which involves genic abnormality in a particular individual. It is seen that this blue colored depiction is not observed in the new chromosomal strand as because it has got deleted, resulting in the formation of a chromosome which has got an altered sequence. Insertional mutation, it involves the addition of one or more nucleotide base pairs, like it can be seen that the chromosome 4, the area is being inherited onto chromosome 20. These are non-homologous chromosomes, the chromosome 4 and chromosome 20. Insertion, it could be hazardous if they occur in the coding sequence, that is what is referred to as the exon, that is the amino acid coding part. So in this module, we had basically talked about the different kinds of mutation, basically the chromosomal and the gene mutations.